Welcome to another Kazoo tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to select listing leads with Kazoo. First things first, plug in the area you service and then hit the search button. This will pull up all leads in the area you're searching. Now with Kazoo, you're able to select either both buyers or sellers. So if you want to look for just listings, click any buyer type and then select potential listings. This is going to pull up a list of strictly listings. As you can see, we can scroll through the listings in the area, but one essential step when looking at listings is clicking the View Details button. With the View Details button, it's going to show you the current home value, but keep in mind, this is a self-reported home value. So it's very important to reach out to this lead and offer a CMA. It will get your foot in the door and really build the relationship.